Imagine a creature that doesn't age in the traditional sense. The lobster is one such marvel of nature. Unlike most animals, lobsters possess the unique ability to regenerate their telomeres, the protective caps on chromosome ends that shorten with each cell division. This process allows lobsters to continue growing and reproducing throughout their lives, potentially living for over 100 years. Scientists believe this telomere regeneration could hold secrets to aging and longevity in humans. While lobsters face threats from predators and the environment, their biological clock ticks differently, raising fascinating questions about immortality in the animal kingdom and beyond.